Mama Laura, I heard you don't have any papers. Mind them report you to immigration.
Ronald Smith Dean.
Wow. Give it to them.
I must see your mama or your daddy bad mind.
I know that man. He used to mess with me auntie.
Chicken feet.
Curry chicken foot.
It looked like baby hand. It looked like baby's little baby hand. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a while. Y'all have seen all three of our faces. Right, Wanda? Right, Mama Laura?
Yes. Yes, people, Jamaica get lick, but you know,
Yes.
sometimes God have to shake up a place, make the people then come together, you understand?
Yes.
I just say go, but just a prayer that then recover soon and, you know, but in God we put we trust, okay?
Definitely.
Talking about that, guys. Good evening, it's your boy Wandan, and I'm here with my fiance and my mom. Okay? I'm talking about the hurricane. Guys, if you're living anywhere in the world and you want to support, I know a lot of people don't have the money to donate or to buy food, but guess what? We partner with Ding, D-I-N-G. I'll put it on the screen. That's an easy way to send top up to any mobile phone in Jamaica, whether they have a Digicel or Flow. That's what I use. And if you use my code WANDAN25, you get 50% off your first time using Ding. Okay. A few people linked me when I used the code before and say them use it more than once and still get 50% off. You understand? So try it, okay? Ding, D-I-N-G. Download the mobile app. Just send a few people credit at Jamaica because them really get it. I mean, no say not everybody have the money for just pop barrel and donate like them big superstar, right, babes?
Yes.
Thank God for the help where them I get to.
But that's a way to stay in contact or, you know, for the...
Just help out, you know?
Yeah.
And then was people like Jamaica, so.
Yes, Jamaica is very long. Okay. And one down back here eating chicken foot.
Chicken feet.
Curry chicken foot.
It looked like baby hand. It looked like baby's little baby hand. And I just... and it has smelled so good last night. And I asked Danza, why your mom cooked? Because you know it has smelled so good because I don't want some. And he bust me chicken foot. I was so pissed, okay? He tell me pretend it's crab legs. I'm like, hell no. So guys, today we was going through some of the comments and we see a lot of people sent like some questions for us, specifically for Mama Laura, because you know y'all always ask for her. So there are a lot of questions. And we decided, okay, we're going to just do a whole video, you know?
With Mama
Laura
reacting to the questions.
And they send questions for us too, but just so we don't make, they send so much questions for Mama Laura because, you know, everybody love Mama Laura. Just so we don't make the video that long, we're probably going to do a separate video with the questions they sent for me. Because they sent me and Danza some pressuring questions. So we'll have to do that on a separate video.
Part 2, yeah?
A part 2. So this will be part 1. Questions for Mama Laura. Okay?
Amen.
We did a TikTok live and Mama Laura was on there and they were sending so many questions, so I had to screenshot them as well.
Record, yeah.
So screen record so that way I could make a video, and I told them I would have made a video and answer some other questions. So now, since we were just speaking about Hurricane Melissa, one person asked, Mama Laura, when are you going to donate to Hurricane Melissa victims? I need a 1-bedroom and a kitchen attached. I'm in Westmoreland.
You know, so if me did have him, I really sponsor that person. For when me I watch Charlie Rasta lady, she did the other day. I don't know if she buried yet. Me say to one dancer, you know, so if me really strong, me gonna make up one room and bathroom and veranda gear But she dead. But me not avid people. Me I tell you the truth. The little hustling when me I do, just we make me stand still.
So what y'all try to say, you're not going to donate?
Me not say me no we done yet. But he help with them I get already. If I pray for he help and them I get it. You understand?
But somebody say you them then say when you are going to donate, I know why people them are doing, mommy.
Prayer alone move mountains. So prayer when me I pray.
But mommy,
Can't
them
help
I
me.
say when you are going to donate, you still not answer.
If me see that person directly, me give her something. You understand?
So you want me inbox her on Instagram?
Alright, so it says, some of these people, anyways, whatever. Mama Laura, I heard you don't have any papers. Mind them report you to immigration.
What you mean me not have no paper? Then if me not have no paper, what me I do up here? And if they even do that, which bad, me come from Jamaica, me not do no crime down there, me can't go back down there. It's not easy. Me not fast in people business. What you mean me not have no paper? Yes, me not have no paper, and what about it? We no call immigration.
But mommy, you have papers though. What you tell them say?
No, but
Yeah, don't say that, because, well, some of them being enough. But, alright, next question. This is Margaret from Linstead. Last year, excuse me, because they're kind of talking in patois, so I might sound a little funny. But it said, this is Margaret from Linstead. Last year, me buy some tomatoes from you, and them did full of worm. Want me money back.
first thing last year, me not sell out tomato, and tomato not having worm. Then we spoil, but not having no worm. And a long time, me no the market go sell no tomato. Me not have no tomato. I must different Mama Laura and this one. Yeah.
You know Margaret?
Me know one market is.
From Linstead?
See them a market. Me don't know directly where they come from, but you understand?
And then somebody reply under Margaret comment and say, I know Mama Laura from Listed Market from back in the day. She always a beg, or she forever a beg. Something like, yeah, she forever a beg or something like that.
One thing, me no beg if me beg I no get me shame. I know this a Mama Laura.
But mommy, how then we are said that though?
No, they can't say that for me no beg. Me no beg.
But mommy, then we are just say so though. When if you when you go to market here.
No sir, me no beg. I know me them attack.
But mommy, everybody see up on YouTube. Of course are you them attack, mommy. You never beg nobody else instead.
Unless them beg me beg them back.
No.
No,
if
but
them beg me still when me I sell, me say wanna buy me when me would have say one cool drinks. I me tomato or me something valuable more than that. I know me them attack, me no beg.
But mommy then comment
crazy.
on our video though.
I know people have said they
mommy.
see you in Linstead, but at least two comments.
Me never know then we are comment say you beg.
Me, no this, I know me. If me even come from beg family, no this one yeah. If me no beg, me no go instead and beg neither. Me no beg.
You sure?
Yeah, me no beg. You see me beg no.
So you need to address the person I say you beg.
And that person was user Diane Henley 84.
Sometimes you just ignore it, yeah. Sometimes they might see how. Sometimes they might say certain things we see how you would have gone. Me just ignore it. Bye.
Yeah, and you know what? Since y'all being negative, I'm gonna put the people name who commented to Poyala and Blast. You think I should do that? No, because I have the people name. No. All right.
I don't mean them attack. I mean no say me no. I don't mean me no beg.
But if Miss Laura asks me the person name, can I tell her?
Of course.
I don't mean not ask nobody name. Me no business. Once a child, twice a man. Everybody beg when the time come. And if me beg you no unless you no beg me things when me here sell. Or might be when you here beg me beg you no that's you no beg me. Bye.
All right, next question. I was watching your birthday party and I didn't know you turned 60. Wow.
Yeah. I'm soon get 61 and I'm lucky. When I send some birthday.
Question not done.
Well, let she finish. I gonna finish it. What you saying?
Lucky. I'm a soon kill 61. We not send a birthday. Me I beg you know some birthday present. Okay. Thank you.
So, after she said wow, she said, I thought you was 80. And somebody replied, must be hard life.
What the hell? Somebody really
That's
said that?
very friggin'
Let me
rude.
see.
You know that person?
I don't know who that.
The
No,
name.
nobody and their son can say me then think me and 80. For enough somebody say me not even look like 60. Yes, me work hard, but me bathe myself and care myself and boil me good
Somebody
porridge.
really said that?
I eat me good food
don't
and get me
black
rest. No, nobody can see so.
So then, mommy look like 80.
I test them, I test me faith.
No, I could just block them. I gonna go on the thing and block them.
About
Them,
80.
finish asking
No,
questions.
that me no business with that. They want say me look like 80. Me know nobody now say so. Comment and tell me people. Nobody say that. Say me look like
But
any
mommy,
80.
somebody comment and said that. Why would them? Me not even see that comment until Olivia go
Very
through
nice.
them.
I
That
could block
not
the
shape me.
person.
That not shape me.
They comment on a lot of our stuff, a lot of negative
But then do
things.
what they want. That not shape me. Me not feel no way. Me not feel no way.
You think I should block them?
No.
No, you not feel black them. Me not feel no way. I only want somebody see so.
You have a feeling who?
Me don't want no who. But then talk with them want talk say. That I go through me years and come through another one. Bear.
Yeah. You can't live for people. They say a lot of stuff. They say a lot of shit about me. So whatever. They only projecting their insecurities on you. Alright. So why people enough?
For real, right? That's crazy.
I'm reading the next question. People are so enough.
Mommy boyfriend I call. And say, I mean, why you happy when you see
Speaking
boss?
of boyfriend, that was the next question.
Why you hang up, mommy? I'm nervous, I get nervous. Eh?
No, sir.
After all these years, guys, I wonder if I'm gonna be like that with
you
you.
not call him, mommy?
No, I don't me call him.
Mommy, me see you, man, miss call.
Stop looking at me phone.
I say you call him, mommy.
No.
Me see about 100 call going out and not one coming in.
You
For
jealous?
a long time. Me soon call you back, yeah? Yo. Hello?
Why you not say hey baby instead of yo?
Hello?
The y'all was working for all
Hello.
these years.
Hang up, mommy. Yeah. You not going to go sing now.
Hello?
Can't hang up, mommy. You not
Hello?
Mommy, you not here, yo. Look there. Must time you try
No,
call him,
sir.
man.
For
Me
a
see it,
long time
no,
that
man,
done.
me see it,
I
man.
not sent new call
No,
this.
but enough time you try call the boss.
I'm not looking at my phone.
See my call you back there. I ain't hang up back. Like you might play with them, woman.
No, it's something that good enough. Delvin. You know,
See,
call
Tessa?
me. What's up?
Put on speaker.
What's up?
No, you're not here.
Matthew. What's up? Me we call you back here. And something there. Go look for him man. Make Marsha show him he color if he put on his something here.
What you say?
Yo, Bobby. Yeah. One man.
One thing you know, me notice when my father call you, you just get happy, so. No matter how mood you're in.
Then me not happy for I went last to see me back.
Because you put all your hand on you.
Come on for the case.
So speaking of that, since somebody comment, well, that's so weird because he called and I'm just was about to read this enough person comment. Why Wandan father never married to you after all those years and Wandan is in his 40s? Who say you in your 40s?
I'm not.
You know, your Bible say, take a woman and call him your wife. Might be as we married now at that time we all live puss and dog. So the Bible say, take a woman and call him wife. I know for no business that. Uno married and for no life. It better?
Well, on there. Hold on, I not
And first of all, he's not in his 40s. Dwandan is in his 30s.
That not 40 neither. You see?
Then no, for him, me.
Take a woman and call him your wife.
You finish with the question?
Who tell you not say me not married?
Yeah. That's it. That's all the person say. Nobody replied
So
back
what
to
them
it.
have to say?
We married last year.
That's it.
But I just in our house. We didn't do nothing big. You understand? For me
So
not
you
like
married
it
and
crowd.
not tell me, mommy?
Then you know what I know. On top going like you know. No. Me right.
Me not know,
But the
mommy.
ring not in our house right now.
But mommy, you not even have a ring.
That I not ring on it. I certificate.
But you say you're married and you not tell none of we.
And shut up. You go like you know. No. Me not do nothing big.
Me not know,
Right
mommy.
in our house, the pastor come married with.
Mommy, you too lie. You not have to make it look so.
Me not
If
tell
that's
no
what
lie.
she said, that's what she said.
Me not tell no lie. Me a talk when I go so.
So true they say you don't married, you tell us you married last year in the house.
Me not tell no lie.
You just talk when I go so.
Come again, live with me.
Okay.
go
Mama
back.
Lord. Excuse my patwa, are you? Mama Lord, you on YouTube acting rich and you owe me for a tray of egg you trust from me over a year ago.
First thing me no near meg. Look go so.
Mommy, but you take though. Why you tell? Let's
Only
be
way-
honest with them.
Only when me over here. Let me tell you something. All right.
You want somebody for you?
Read it again let me hear.
It says, Mama Lord, you on YouTube acting rich and you owe me for a tray of egg you trust from me over a year ago. You want to read it in Pato? Because maybe I'm not
Alright.
reading
Mama,
it.
let me read it, mommy. Mama Lord, you on YouTube acting rich. You owe me for a tray of egg you trust from me over a year ago.
Nothing no go so for first thing. If me go shop and me want $10, me not pass your shop and not have it $10. So me no owe you. Do this and beat me. Call me and tell me say me trust egg from you. For number one, me no love egg. Me is not an egg person, so me not trust no egg. Nothing no go so.
But mommy, maybe I something. Maybe I just want honest mistake, you know. Maybe you no, just listen. Maybe you trust it and you end up on ease and you end up figure out for pay for.
Trust you which part?
Me not know, maybe instead or something.
That no go like that.
People are crazy, eh?
That's crazy.
So that's three people are saying
Me never
like
know
they
say them a
want
comment
to
this
be
about
loyal.
mommy.
People talk anything they want talk. Me no guilty.
You sure about the egg though, mommy?
No sir.
Cause why would somebody comment say you would?
No sir. Me no guilty.
I was watching the video from, I guess they're trying to say from when you bought the bike for your father.
Mm-hmm.
I know that man. He used to mess with me auntie.
Well, me not go say no about that, you know.
So what them a try to say?
Means
My
say,
father,
yeah, mess with it.
then auntie.
Yes.
Me not take up in no man. You know, impossible.
Why say no?
Me can't say yes and me can't say no. You know, impossible. Man and man. When night come down, man are different. Man coming like bulldog. Me can't say yes, people, and me can't say no. And me not watch nobody. Where God give him a fee, say use it till he can't use no more.
So you not feeling away?
Feel what? No, sir. Feel what?
Suppose I clue them at all.
They want to do about that. What to do about that, Dan?
I feel away.
Me not feel no way.
Me not call that. Me not call
You're
them.
calling now?
No call him. What you call him, man? For?
No, but one person say they mess with me. I call him.
No call him, man. I must more when he me younger. He might get all up. No, sometimes people want your partner for me in an argument.
Yeah.
If that gun I'm ready, when you not see, heart not leap. Okay? When you see somebody, your heart leap, and you not see him, your heart not leap. What gone? Me still not left him. I won't want to stir up that water, me still not left him. What gone. For me, I get old, me not left him. What gone?
So if you're younger, you will left him?
No, sir, unless me see you.
So what make you not left him? In good to you, a good man.
Yeah.
A good person?
He only ignorant, but him change.
A good person.
Yeah.
That's all that matters.
So you not left him?
But
So you sure me not to call him, mommy?
No, son, I call him.
When
Me
you
no-
catch you though, I feel away.
Me not feel no way.
I used to work with your daughter at pharmacy. She have bad ways.
What?
My
Mama
daughter
say
at
that.
pharmacy.
QQ used to work
Pharmacy?
yeah, in a
Oh.
washing.
One thing, I wish bad ways. If
Oh,
him mother don't have you and his daddy don't have you, we don't go suck on yourself. Anybody who says go suck on yourself, wish bad ways. First thing QQ not even talk more so.
Yeah, she's so sweet. She is so
Which
sweet.
bad way?
But mommy, you never work with QQ yet.
Let me tell you, QQ not talk more so and QQ. See you like how me tell her so QQ tan. Me no have bad ways, Vassy no have bad ways. None of me pitney they have bad ways. Go suck yourself, girl.
But then it's a man or a woman comment. It's a man. It's a man. See it there?
I must see your,
Renal Simon.
let me tell you something, I must see your
One
mama.
man.
Maybe he had one and she didn't want
Let me
it.
tell you something, I must see your mama or your daddy have bad ways. No mess with me pitney when you come for me. Say anything about me, but no mess with me pitney. Especially QQ when I talk.
I know. She's so sweet.
That's crazy, mommy.
The blood against you. Okay.
You feel say somebody really will say that though, mommy?
Now must you look
But
me all
But
look you.
again, you know, mommy, you never know, you know, cause QQ, we quiet around here, you know.
QQ now have bad way dad.
But
Me
maybe I don't know.
I don't believe it.
Me not believe it too, but
She
it's just
don't.
crazy.
She's
how
Me will
sweet.
call QQ no longer later and tell him.
Boy, QQ.
Where's somebody name? Where's somebody
Renal
name?
Simit. Renal.
Spell that name there.
Ronald Smith, something like that. I could message her. But that's not even, because that's not true. It could have been somebody that probably tried to talk to her. She didn't want them. Or just, I don't know. It
Oh, yeah,
could even be
no.
a fake account.
Me
It
I
could
call
probably be a
QQ.
woman.
Me I text QQ. QQ, you know anybody here working at a pharmacy near Ronald's? When name Olivia?
Ronald Smith.
Ronald Smith.
Dean.
What?
Ronald Smith Dean.
Ronald Smith Dean. Or Ronald Smith Dean.
That's the name. Ronald Smith Dean.
Ronald Smith Dean. Say him here working at a pharmacy with you and you have bad way. Olivia, they see it on WhatsApp. They email them email them and I tell them if you ask me them question. Nothing go so cool. I may we call you later.
He sent her a voice note.
Yeah.
Oh, you sent it. People are wicked.
Then I
Cute. I'll tell that's like one of the sweetest person I ever met in my life. She's so sweet.
Mommy,
What?
She don't even talk.
I wonder why somebody will say that, no? Then go
I must-
watch that video, yeah. Tell them what you have to tell them, mommy. Because me understand if me
I must see your mama or your daddy bad mind.
They
Yeah.
don't say bad man, they say a bad ways.
I must see your mama and your daddy have bad ways. You understand?
Tell them, mommy.
No QQ. No for me daughter when they in KTN. You
Mommy, Tell
understand?
them good. Tell them you can't say about me not. You have to tell them about themselves. Them watch the video. So when they
So
see,
when they email you ask you or said
That was
too.
on our last video we did. Somebody comment. They said they used to
They
work
want
for
make
that-
a no tell me that.
a
I know you them are
pharmacy.
telling those
And I
comment.
just remember because I was like, pharmacy, you don't have
Yeah.
this or don't have no.
No, but
daughter work
QQ used to work
pharmacy,
at a
but
pharmacy.
okay, yeah.
I just see people and mommy, you can't ask them.
No must them mama and daddy and then sister and so and them are try for have bad ways. I must look that a boy here and look QQ.
Have to be because she's so sweet and kind and she don't make trouble or talk like that. She's not a talkative person.
Okay, I have something to say. We have an Airbnb in Old Jamaica. It's a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathrooms. It's on Airbnb. The link is in this video bio. So go if you want to click on it. If you want to book, you can follow us on Instagram. I'm going to put it maybe up here so or up
Yes.
here so. Elevate Escape, go and go follow us. It's in Old Jamaica. It's approximately 12 minutes from the town center. Than the heart of Ochi. Atwater Eater. It's a 2-story house. Fully gated community with 24-hour security. very quiet area.
Yeah. AC in our room.
AC in our room
including
and
the
living room.
Oh,
You understand?
She messaged back.
Anybody when you Ronald Smith, Dean, don't do that again. Because mommy is very
Don't
upset.
talk about
Ronald Smith Dean.
Wow. Give it to them. I wasn't expecting that.
Okay, guys. Anyway, 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom in Outrageous, Jamaica. Fully gated community. Pool in the community. 24-hour security. Book it. It's in the bio. Book it, you know. Before you book it, you can reach out to us through the Airbnb app.
If you have any questions.
I like when I know message before so I can prep when for prep. Yeah. If I want like a birthday or now, I can put some snacks.
Any special accommodation.
Any special accommodation. If you are in America, if you're in England, if you're in Canada and you want to pick up, I have a Vaxi. Brand new Vaxi. So guys, we can pick one up at the airport if you don't want. Okay, just link us through the Airbnb app and we can accommodate you for the best price in Outrageous, okay?
Alright.
And we'll wrap up this video. Okay, we'll wrap up this video. Guys, I have something to tell you, mommy. Every question we ask you, nobody knows a question.
Some of them.
Guys, nobody asks with those questions and me and Livy make up the whole of them.
Number one, me not trust egg. Number one, me not beg nobody unless...
So mommy ain't believe we? We prank you.
But you know, gonna make up that for me, I say, me ain't guilty of them neither. For me,
you never feel away?
No, sir, always was, me don't feel away.
So how you give your man middle finger because he talk about your pitney?
Yes, we give him that, yes, so me know, so me pitney no go on it through me. I work in a pharmacy, yes, but yeah.
Guys, remember, okay? Ding, D-I-N-G. Use my code 1Dan25, you get 50% off your first time using Ding. That's what we give back to. If you're in America, anywhere in the world, if you are watching the video here, download the app. If you have anybody in Jamaica, in the Caribbean, in Haiti, anywhere we have digital and flow, where you can send mobile top up to use with code 1Dan25. You get 50% off your first time using Ding to top up somebody's phone. 50% off. So if you're selling them $20, it's gonna be like $10, $11 because you know tax and thing. Split in half. Mama Lur birthday coming up, guys. So comment down below right now. Happy birthday, Mama Lur.
Yes.
It's in a few days.
And we're gonna do a big TikTok live on her birthday.
Yes.
So go on over 1Dan_Livy.
Yes, then we send tops and roses to me. Yes, we're gonna do one big. Yes, people, so big up on yourself, you know. Thank God for life. And it time of flying, people. We're going into 2026. We all have to give thanks. Yeah, and we need to change the ways. Me have my little ways too, me not perfect. But I'm gradually, okay? Changing.
Yeah.
And for me little way, me have to cuss 2 hours and, you know.
And you done.
And me done. No
second
lose
no sleep.
Me no lose no sleep and no second opinion. So for me, I get old and me can't hold nothing in here. So. Okay?
Okay. We're out, guys.
We are out. Blessed Wednesday.
Oh.
Forget what they doing, keep on doing.